Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to locate screenshot folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First, you are taking a screenshot. For taking screenshot, just use power button and volume down button together. Screenshot is taken from the preview here itself. If you touch on the capture screen, screenshot will be showing. Suppose after some time, if you want to locate the screenshot for screenshot, then you go to particular screenshot folder. For that, what you go to do is just go to the gallery, then go to screenshot folder here. Okay, actually it is in camera DCIM, and then you can go to screenshot. Okay, I show the path. Go to the settings in your phone, then go to advanced features, and here click on screenshots, and all screenshots are showing here, are storing here, internal storage, DCIM and screenshots. Okay, so to locate exactly the screenshot folder, go to files, my files, okay, internal storage and DCIM, then screenshots folder. Okay, all screenshots will be available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily locate screenshots folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.